These Amazon household essentials are all about convenience, style, and smart living, perfect for any space. From cozy upgrades to clever time savers, they'll transform your daily routine with ease. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Wrinkled clothes? Not your problem anymore. This handheld steamer smooths out fabric fast with powerful steam and an extra-large plate. Use it upright on hanging clothes or flat like an iron. Your choice. The big detachable water tank keeps the steam going without constant refills. No leaks, no hassle, and it even shuts off automatically for safety. Struggling with thinning hair? This high-tech comb uses gentle infrared lasers to wake up your hair follicles. It delivers light therapy right where it's needed while giving your scalp a relaxing 360 degrees massage. The result? Better circulation, less stress, and a boost for hair growth. It's fully waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower for a spa-like experience at home. Love puzzles, but hate the mess? This rotating puzzle board keeps everything neat and easy to reach. It spins a full 360 degrees, so no more stretching across the table. 6 sliding drawers store sorted pieces safely, and a clear cover protects your work from dust or curious pets. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for puzzling anywhere in comfort. Haircuts with tears? Not anymore. These baby hair clippers come with a built-in vacuum that sucks up trimmed hair as you cut. No mess, no stress. The blades have rounded edges for safe, gentle trimming on delicate skin. It's whisper quiet, so your little one stays calm the whole time. When you're done, rinse it under water and it's ready for the next cut. Sleeping in silence is great. But what if you could drift off to your favorite playlist? This 3D sleep mask hides Bluetooth headphones inside for the ultimate bedtime upgrade. It blocks out light completely, so you can nap anywhere, even on a bright plane. Soft, contoured, and designed with no eye pressure, it's perfect for side sleepers. The battery lasts all night, so your dreams stay as calm as your music. Smooth, soft feet are just a few minutes away. This rechargeable electric callus remover tackles rough, dry, and cracked skin effortlessly. With 2 speeds and 3 roller options, it's powerful yet safe for a salon-quality pedicure at home. Waterproof for easy cleaning and cordless for convenience, it's the ultimate self-care tool and an ideal gift for anyone who loves flawless feet. Tired of sore necks and awkward naps while traveling? This inflatable travel pillow is designed at a 45 degrees angle for natural head and neck support, so you can finally rest comfortably on planes, trains, or even at your desk. It inflates in seconds, deflates just as fast, and packs away easily for stress-free travel. With soft, durable fabric and arm support built in, it's like bringing a mini nap station wherever you go. Dinner just got way smarter. This multi-cooker handles everything: slow cooking, baking, steaming, even sautéing, all in one sleek appliance. The best part? It can cook 2 dishes at once and syncs them to finish at the same time. From tender roasts to fluffy rice and even desserts, it does it all. With easy clean pots and multiple settings, it's like having a full kitchen packed into one machine. Say goodbye to aching arms and awkward angles. This phone holder keeps your device exactly where you want it, whether you're in bed, at your desk, or relaxing on the couch. Its sturdy base and reinforced arms stay steady without sagging, and the 360-degree swivel gives you the perfect view every time. Compatible with almost any phone, it's your hands-free solution for streaming, calls, or late-night scrolling in total comfort. It's not just a coffee table, it's a multitasking hero for your living room. The top lifts up and forward to create a comfy spot for working, snacking, or tackling bills. Hidden storage underneath keeps blankets, remotes, and games out of sight. Plus, the open shelves below are perfect for decor or books. With its rustic wood finish and industrial accents, it adds style and serious function to your space. Cold feet while working? Not anymore. This underdesk heater wraps your feet and legs in instant warmth using advanced radiant heating. It heats up in seconds and stays whisper quiet so you can focus without distractions. Adjustable temperature and timer settings give you full control, and its foldable design makes storage easy. Perfect for home offices or study spaces. Stay cozy without cranking up the whole house heat. Breathe easy every day. This smart air purifier traps dust, smoke, and even the tiniest allergens so your home feels fresh and clean. It uses a powerful HEPA filter to capture 99.97% of particles. Great for pet owners or anyone sensitive to dust. 4 speed settings let you control the airflow, and its whisper quiet mode makes it perfect for sleeping. Fresh air, zero hassle, all at the touch of a button. Who needs harsh chemicals when you've got steam power in your hands? This portable cleaner blasts away grime, grease, and stubborn dirt with nothing but hot steam. It heats up in minutes and gives you continuous cleaning without the mess. Use it on grout, windows, tiles, or even fabrics. It comes with 10 handy tools for every job. Safe, powerful, and perfect for a deep clean anywhere in your home. Wrinkled clothes ruining your look? This smart clothing care system saves the day. Just hang your shirt, load a fresh cup, and tap start. A superfine mist and warm air smooth out wrinkles while refreshing your clothes in minutes. Choose the standard cycle for everyday outfits or the extended one for heavier fabrics. Indicator lights keep you informed from start to finish, so it's effortless every time. Pop the top, literally. This clever tool removes the entire lid from your can, giving you a smooth, safe edge. No sharp rims, no mess, just a better way to sip. It works on almost any aluminum can, from soda to beer, and takes just seconds with a simple twist. Perfect for adding garnishes, mixing cocktails, or turning cans into reusable cups. Small, light, and ready to go anywhere. Throwing out trash just got high-tech. This smart wastebasket opens automatically with a wave of your hand. No touching, no mess. The sensor keeps the lid open while you're tossing things in, then shuts quietly on its own. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or any spot you want extra hygiene. Sleek, modern, and waterproof, it blends right in while making cleanup effortless. Meet your new favorite piece of furniture, a chic Ottoman that's secretly a luxury foot massager. Slip your feet in and let deep tissue rollers, air compression, and soothing heat melt away stress. It's cordless, so you can relax anywhere, and the bold design adds a pop of style to your space. Comfort, elegance, and a spa-like experience, all in one beautiful Ottoman. Breakfast just turned into a style statement. This sleek toaster isn't just about looks, it's smart too. With one touch, you can toast, defrost, or reheat your bread just the way you like it. 6 browning levels give you full control, and the motorized lift adds a futuristic touch. It's elegance, technology, and perfect toast, all in one stunning piece for your kitchen. Turn any spot into your personal office. This adjustable laptop stand rolls anywhere, bed, sofa, or desk, so you can work in total comfort. It tilts up to 70 degrees for the perfect viewing angle and adjusts from sitting to standing in seconds. The sturdy swing arm keeps your device secure while you write, stream, or game. Smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move, so your workspace goes where you do. Scrubbing the bathroom doesn't have to break your back. This cordless spin scrubber does the heavy work for you. With a push of a button, it powers through grime at 2 speeds. 8 interchangeable brush heads tackle tubs, tiles, corners, and even car detailing. The adjustable handle reaches high spots and tight spaces. No bending, no kneeling. Waterproof, rechargeable, and ready to make cleaning almost fun. Long hours at your desk just got an upgrade. This executive chair reclines with the push of a button, so you can work or nap in perfect comfort. The built-in footrest and lumbar massage melt away fatigue. Wide armrests keep your shoulders relaxed, and the sustainable leather feels smooth yet tough enough for daily use. Big, tall, and built to last, this chair is all about serious comfort. Tired of sore wrists after hours at your desk? This adjustable armrest gives your arm a perfect place to relax while you work. It clamps easily onto your desk with no drilling needed. The arm support moves with you, so typing or gaming feels natural. You can adjust the height to match your comfort level. It's strong, sleek, and keeps your posture in check all day long.